Traveling. Traveling is an exciting thing for lots of people. I love to travel a lot. Here are a few short and long essays on traveling. You should share these essays with your children. They should learn. Travel from one place to another place is called traveling. In this world, traveling has been really popular because of the really good transportation system. People can easily travel across the world. There are lots of people who are traveling the entire world to gain more and more knowledge and experience. We can learn about the world from academic study. But it never gives us the real experience, only traveling can do this. When you will travel, you can see the real beauty and real scene of a place. People are traveling all across the world for different purposes. Some of them are traveling for fun, some of them are traveling for business, and some are traveling for just learning and education purposes. If you travel, you can learn so many things that are not possible to learn from a book because it's a real experience. Real experiences always have better value. If you travel to a city in a different country, you will be able to learn about a new culture, new language, new lifestyle, and new peoples. It is really amazing for someone. Traveling could be your best teacher to understand the world, understand the purposes to survive. Lots of people are traveling the entire world. They have got their own purposes. You can also travel the world. I will tell you how to travel the river, sea, and hilly areas. When someone travels for fun, they choose a destination in a hilly area or sea beach. But for business travel, you need to go to cities, and you might don't see any natural beauty. Traveling sea. Sea and river are the most beautiful element in the world. When I visit a river, I look at it and get amazed. How beautiful it is. There are a few reasons that you need to travel to the sea or river. When you will explore the ocean, you will be able to enjoy lots of different things that you can never see in many cities. The ocean covers 71% of the total Earth's surface, so you can realize how big they are. There is really amazing biodiversity that you should enjoy. When you plan to see the world, can you just kick away the 71%? Hell, no you can't. You need to learn scuba dive to explore the ocean. Life is full of suspense and amazement. You will see lots of animals that you never have seen or learned before. There are still lots of things uncovered by a human. Do you know, almost 50 to 80% of life is under the sea surface. The blue whale is the largest animal on this planet, and you need to explore the sea if you want to see them. It's a really beautiful creation. Traveling the ocean could be amazing for you. You will learn lots of new things that make you really surprised. So, if you have any wish to see the world, I suggest you just need to explore the ocean. It's really amazing. Traveling could be an awesome way for education. You can learn lots of things by doing this. There are lots of people around the world who is traveling to learn more. They are learning and sharing this knowledge with us through blog posts and videos. So today I will share some interesting learning parts of traveling. What actually you can learn from it. Learning language. Language is a way to get connected with others. When you visit a foreign country, you can learn their language. If you can learn, it opens a new door in front of you. You have to accept there are huge differences from one nation to another. After learning a new language, you can understand them better, you can make new friends. The most important part of learning a language for me is I can read more books and blogs. When I use the internet, I can read the blogs on that language, it's thrilling for me. I can collect so much information about that particular country from their social media groups. And I believe it's not possible to get the deep and relevant information without learning the language. Let's take a look at a few reasons that's why you need to learn a foreign language. It will give you an opportunity to learn something new and different and let you be creative. Traveling will be really easier for you because you will be able to connect with locals without having any problems. You will be confident when are skilled in a language and it will let you act smartly in any country. Even if you want to work or stay there, it will really easy for you. You can get a job without putting so much effort. Learn history. Every country has a unique history. When you travel somewhere, you can learn and know about these. You will hear lots of amazing stories from the locals that will make you really thrilled. I visited lots of ancient places in India and hear lots of stories based on these places. I shared them on social media, people loved a lot. And learning history is a really interesting thing to lots of people. Make new friends. Making new friends is really interesting. This world is full of friendly people. We make friends, hang out, spend quality time, and help each other. In that case, if you travel you can make lots of friends. And because of social media and digital communication systems, you will be able to stay connected with them. It will let you understand human nature and behavior. They can help you to explore their places. As a friend, they can be your guide and that will make your tour really easy and effortless. Learn new skills. Suppose you have got a plan for trekking in a little bit of a risky mountain. Now you need to learn a new skill, and that will help your whole life. Yes, there are lots of skills that you will learn while traveling the world. If you want to explore the sea world, you need to know scuba diving. Language learning is also one of the major skills that you can acquire from this. I have shown how that can help you to get a better life. Enjoy nature. Everyone loves nature and naturally beautiful places. I travel just because of finding beautiful natural spots and promoting them to the entire world. The world is really beautiful and full of excitement. Lots of things that people have not seen yet. We need to keep exploring and finding the beauty of the earth. Understand people. After spending a couple of days or weeks in a place, you will have few people who will like you and will be a few friends too. And then they might spend time with you. In this process, you will be able to learn about them. You will understand people. When you experience real life, you will thank Almighty God for your life. You will be amazed more and more. Traveling is like a blessing to me. I have traveled all of my life and learned so many exciting things. I suggest everyone do it and enjoy their lives. Do you like traveling? Share with us. Traveling. There is lots of usefulness that traveling has. Today I am going to cover a few of them with you. I hope you will love them. Traveling is like blessings to me. It opens a big door to explore the world and learn so many new things. Why should you travel? There are plenty of reasons to travel, but why should you? Let me tell you. People travel for fun, for education, for business. First of all, define your financial situation and understand reality. If you think you have enough opportunities to travel for education, fun, or business, I suggest you start your journey right now. Get a backpack and your important things and leave for an amazing destination. If you are on an educational tour, you will be able to learn so many new things. The language, the tradition, the history, the people's behavior, and that will blow your mind and let you take new challenges in your life. Mary's experience traveling. I am a traveler and love to travel all across the world. I have been to a few countries already and am going to share my experience with you. I hope you will like my experience. I started traveling from a very young age. I am a solo backpacker. I always prefer to travel alone, but wherever I go I make a few friends on Facebook. And then I love to meet and greet them in their place. This is really interesting to me. My India traveling. I started visiting India a few years ago, and I think I have come across the major spots. My first ever tour was from Kolkata to Darjeeling. I was really amazed, and that was a journey by train. I was really thrilled. The beauty of Darjeeling made me speechless. And I started to think that if Darjeeling is so much beautiful, then what about Sikkim, Simla, or Kashmir? And then I thought about traveling to Kashmir. That was a priceless experience. The place is totally different from where I live. That was like another world to me. I stayed there for 2 weeks and enjoyed nature. After that, I went there again, and I wish to visit that amazing place again and again. My Bangladesh traveling. There are a few reasons why I decided to visit Bangladesh. Lots of people were sharing a few amazing facts on Bangladesh. These were really inspiring, and I was thinking of visiting. Few interesting things that I just need to share with everyone about Bangladesh. I loved the atmosphere and the people a lot. They are so friendly. I have made lots of friends. They are always smiling. Even the rickshaw puller in Dhaka seems the happiest person on this planet. There are a few spots that you can't afford to miss if you visit Bangladesh. I loved Cox's Bazar a lot. I was amazed to know that it's the longest unbroken sea beach in the entire world. I loved the marine drive there. I really loved my experience. The Sylhet division is full of green beauty. There are lots of tea gardens and they are pretty similar to Darjeeling. It seems Sylhet is the richest and developed area in Bangladesh. With tea gardens, they have few rivers and horror for a river cruise. I went for a river cruise on the 𝒚𝒐𝒻 River. 𝒚𝒐𝒻 is one of the most important rivers for Bangladesh. The experience was golden and I loved it. I recommend people to visit Bangladesh. What I have learned about traveling. By traveling I have learned so many interesting things. The most interesting thing to me is language. I can speak Bengali and Telugu. I am a good English speaker and can communicate with anyone through English. That language helps me to learn the third one. Now I can speak and read in a total of 5 languages. Besides language, I have made lots of friends. Few of them have visited my place. Conclusion. My travel experience is really awesome. I suggest everyone travel more and more. It will help you to grow your mind. You will be able to think big. The world is a really interesting place to see. Do you like traveling? Share with us.